Birds chirping.
Is there like a snake or something?
No, it's just magpies and the crows competing for territory. So look at that big old crow trying to kick out those magpies up in that tree. And there was a crow right here who just flew over to get involved. Oh, look at it. There's more magpies coming. There's a big war. Dude, they're not backing off. It looks like something might be dead right on this pole, too. This is intense. Here comes another.
Is it one of their own magpies died?
Look at this crow. This crow is pissed. He's getting in the mix. Here comes another one.
Is that a magpie? It's a magpie.
Yeah, the magpies outnumber the crows by like 7 million to 20. Here comes some crows. Here's some crows getting in the mix. They hear what's going on. We got two of them, one up there, one over there. Oh my God. All right, we'll check